Good morning, Sister SAS. You are ready for the journey of a lifetime on the road.
You ready? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Great morning indeed.
Yes, it is.
You're looking bright and beautiful, family.
Thank you. Feeling it?
How you feeling?
Wonderful.
You're feeling as good as you're looking.
Yeah.
You're radiant African beings filled with light and love. Remember that one from yesterday?
Yep. Getting better and better every day.
Yeah, I remember that from the previous day. Very good. We are building and gaining momentum on this journey of a lifetime, and I want to acknowledge you for that wonderful evening last night, Africa for the Africans, Brother Bomani. How did you like that wonderful buffet dinner at Africa's? Yeah, did you get full? Okay, now. So we're here and we're here now. And I'm going to deliver on the affirmations because that's one of my wonderful opportunities which I enjoy so much. For some of us, you may not be as familiar as I am with affirmative prayer, but I truly believe my word creates my world. It's a word to world fit. I believe that your word creates your world. So let's put some power and purpose behind our words and create a journey that's going to unfold accordingly. Do you have your books with you today, family? Well, if you do, let's get them out. And if you don't, let's remember them with our subconscious mind. But again, it works if you work it. Practicing some of the principles of what I have been ordained to do so as the High Priestess Seshat as well. So I'm SAS, your sister for sure, but there's some rituals that work, and I thank Bomani for entrusting me to bring some of what I think my gifts are to share with you, to empower you, not just on this journey, but if you choose to, beyond this journey. So the books that you hold are ongoing investments, not just for you, but for your family too. So as you take them back home with you, the only way you can get one of these is to be on the journey of a lifetime. We don't just pass these out. This is part of your investment. And this is part of your commitment if you choose to accept it. So again, what day are we on, family? Day 3, thank you. Okay, and we know because we had committed the previous one and the previous one, and by the time we get done with practice, we will remember all of them. They won't go away. It's a gift that keeps on giving, and you give it to yourself. Okay, I'm going to repeat the affirmation one time, and we'll take it together with feeling. And the key to an affirmation, family, it's not how loud you say it per se, it's the vibrational frequency which you have the power to induce with your word. Many people have spoken things into existence with their energy, not just Jesus per se, but the greater things that even SAS has done. I'm not going to give you my testimony right now because I don't want to scare you. Oh, thank you. So really, our word is creating our world. And number 3, I am the master of my life. Let's take it together for you 3 times with feeling, please.
I am the master of my life. I am the master of my life.
One more time, let's seal the deal.
I am the master of my life.
Now let that vibrational frequency continue to resonate into being. Beyond the intellect. Again, we're vibrational beings living in a vibrational universe. We're energy.